Shenseea, yeah. I don't think so. I love Spice. I don't think so.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. Wull on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. You see me? Wanna know the drill still? Subscribe if I your first time over. Yes. Alright, viewers and the audience. So, as what the description of the video say, or that I go on. And Amari got brawling during an interview, say she no rate Shenseea no time at all. You see me? So, in other case, they work by the means of that. She go back on her rates, because me did vlog couple video where she did Shenseea and Spice. You see me? But in other one, you can't sit out, so I make you see what I go on.
Because our duty and obligation was to help the homeless, was to help the children of Jamaica, was to build his mama a house. You can't be a superstar and don't build your mama a house. Your mama still living Grand Span. We had a duty. You understand? We were on a mission. We promised to work together and to accomplish the mission, but then he dipped. And that's what hurt me.
Sorry, do you feel like you could fulfill what you set out to do?
Well, check it out. Moses is going to bring the children to the promised land. It was definitely Aaron. So he did his part. But God knows that he couldn't take me to the promised land because his mouth is too filthy.
Oh, wow. Okay, so I need to ask you a question, though. I need to ask you a question, Amari. What's going on between you and Spice?
Nothing. People don't get it wrong. Spice, I love Spice, and I'm not just saying that. People get a lot of things wrong. How can I hate my own Jamaican that is representing us around the world? You understand? It's all entertainment, and sometimes it's just to wake her up. To come on, let's entertain the people. But how can I hate Spice?
What does that mean, Amari?
Pardon me?
What does that mean? You said wake her up. What does that mean?
You know, to push her, like stepping out in a video and say, "Hey, I'm the biggest, the baddest on the." And go, that's Spice. You know what I'm saying? But Spice is my girl. You think I'm gonna fight against my own Jamaican or come on a platform and diss my own Jamaican?
It's funny you make that statement because I am an avid listener of music and I listen to your song, SOB, and you make a specific statement, and I'm going to read the line of this song. It says, "You're toenail nice, you're not dirty like Spice." What does that mean? We want to know here in the UK, and don't try and get caught up.
Amari don't go around nothing. I don't go around nothing. You know, Amari, I strike straight. First of all, okay, tell me something, honey. Tell me something. What other word ever take anything seriously that I say about DJ Lava, because at the end of the day, whether we argue or not, he's the one that is making me right now. Whether in a negative manner or not, I wouldn't have had the platform that I have without DJ Lava. So,
okay, so you made a comment saying that because Lava is talking about you, it's made history. So it is actually controversial that you're saying this right now on our show.
It's interesting.
we both benefit from talking to each other, but our audience knows us, and I'm very, very convincing. You understand? But at the end of the day, if I'm supposed to collect a Grammy or anything, it's certain people that are going to be beside me, such as Richie Feelings, DJ Lava, and even Gully Bop himself, Nico, because you got to remember all the attributes that people put into your life. So these people mean a lot to me.
You have to say that.
You just call him Nico now. Do not call him
So what is
Gully
this Nico now?
Pardon me?
Gully Bop, just Nico now. He's not Gully Bop anymore. Do we just call him Nico?
So many people have taken the title because, you know what I mean? And they run with it. Everybody wants to be Nico. Even my PR asked me to let him be Nico. So, you know what I mean? So, I wouldn't say right now it's Gully Bob, because I think he's a little stupido. Because when Nico... Yeah, of course. 'Cause when
You know, I'm
Nico
Spanish,
came
so
out...
you know, I understand that language. I'm Spanish, so I understand that language. You said he's
Yeah.
a stupido, so...
Yeah, because when Nico came out, he shouldn't have maliced Amari. He should have joined with Amari, and his career would have been at a certain level now. He shouldn't have attacked.
I saw a video, and you know, Vibes Cartel said he loves what you're doing right now.
Really?
And then you turned around and said you would have loved to marry Vibes Cartel. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
I would have married to Vibes, because Vibes is a heavy load to carry. You know what I mean? A very heavy load, because, you know, you know what I mean? And I'm a girl who likes attention. I'd rather marry an ordinary person. You know, they say, me and a praying man, ordinary person. But I do respect and adore Vibes Cartel. And you can't say you in dancehall and don't respect Vibes Cartel.
No, that's not what I'm saying, but
I'm
I saw the video, and he said, you know what, Vibes Cartel, when you come out, I'm going to marry you. So
I'm praying for Vibes Cartel, because, you know, it's deeper than love. It's respect. It's respect. I respect it.
So is there any artist that you'd love to work with, or would you just like working by yourself?
Oh my gosh, I'm going to tell you something. Maybe it makes me look weak, but that's okay. But I think that the greatest accomplishment would be the day that I do a song with my mentor, which is Spice.
Wow!
Spice, if
We love that, Spice!
you're listening, make sure
Get in contact with
That is what I'm working towards.
Grace, we're shouting out to you right now. Spice Official. Amari would like to work with you right now.
You know, Spice. But that is my dream, and so I keep working. But I like the fact that she refuses to accept me as a part of, you know, it hurts to talk about it.
No, that's what we're talking about.
To accept me in the dancehall circle. She don't count me as an individual, and I'm glad that it happens, because I would not fight so hard to become more and more relevant. But this much I will tell her: never put down someone in life, you know. And it really hurts the way she have dealt with things. And I remember the day when she went on her page and say, She have never heard of me, and that is what keeps me going as Amari. That is what had me here doing this interview. That is what make me score the hits and everything. So I love you, Spice, and I will keep on working. And the day that Spice do a song with me, that will be her biggest hit. So never you throw away the stick before you cross the water, and never you kill the goose that lay the golden hen.
Amen to that. Listen, off the back of this, it might happen. You never know.
Then again, she's not gonna have any choice.
You never
Because there's a God in heaven, and the water you trouble, my friend, step right in. God's mighty power is moving this hour. She's not gonna have any choice. She's already falling. And at the end of the day, she's going to have to hold on to a straw or whatever, but she'll have to find a way to really be relevant in dancehall. And the answer is Amari. Amari's going to be the answer for many individuals. People got to be careful, because I'm ordained, I'm designated, it's meant to be, and God bless, no mentor.
That's what you're saying. Don't sleep on Amari.
Have you got any new projects coming out from?
I'm writing an entire album now. I'm supposed to fly out any day now that I will be recording in Africa.
Okay.
Okay, so how are you feeling about the pandemic? Because it's stopping you from doing a lot of things.
Oh, the pandemic is definitely a governmental thing, and and we just have to brace through. It was planned from forever, decades ago, and now it's here. It's not, I don't believe that it's something from God. I think that it's definitely man-made, and it has to do with nutrients, because about 80% of the world, it's lack of nutrients, and so we have to make sure that we eat the right food and everything. And if we do that, you go up against a city, and it has its defense and everything, the right defense and everything. You can't take down that city. So you got to make sure that you take care of your body. You understand? And every force that come up against it, you will be able to withstand. And at the same time, you see, negativity, it brings down the immune system. And too much of us are negative in this life. But if we become more and more positive, it will build our immune systems, and we will be able to stand up against our adversaries.
Amen.
Wow. Do you believe that familiarity breeds contempt?
Pardon me?
Do you believe that familiarity breeds contempt? So people that's working with you right now, they might think that they know you, and at the same time, it's hard to work with you.
I don't think anybody have really worked with me. I think everybody have come to get whatever they can get, but I mix, but I don't mingle. I don't really associate myself with a lot of people in my private life, because I don't keep friends, and my friend is God, Jesus Christ, and I work nonstop. I play so many roles in my life. I'm Amari, I'm Denise Fung Chung, I'm the CEO of Phantom Fireworks record label, I'm the CEO of Celeb Pro, I'm the CEO of Denise Fung Chung non-profitable coalition. You understand? I have too much going on for me, and I do it all by myself. If anybody out of Jamaica should be a self-made millionaire, that would be me. Nobody helped me to reach there apart from the people on the internet that have been my strong support.
Wow. Can I ask you a question? Would you like to work with Shenseea?
I wish I knew more about that artist, but I'm not familiar.
Would you like to work with Shenseea?
Oh, with Shenseea?
Shenseea, yeah.
I don't think so. I love Spice. I don't think so. It's a choice, and Spice is my favorite. I can relate to Spice because we are like strong women, and we are determined. And we are mothers, of those Shenseea, but I'm not familiar with her like that. I just love Spice. You hear about Spirit Tech. My spirit, if I dog someone, that's a person I love. You get what I'm saying? But I'm just used to dogging people who I love because I love my mother, and she's a child, we have books with the prince, the queen, and everything, Buckingham Palace, you know, the doves on the ground and everything else. So any day I reach the day, that means I've reached my dimension, and that's like a couple months from here.
That's amazing. I love that.
And on the same note, I'm so sorry about everything that's going on in the UK in regards to deaths related to COVID-19, but I do believe that God will have mercy on us and everything will be okay soon. I do believe so.